Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our meeting, let's pray together. Amin. Hello guys, my name is Fajrul Falamois. You can call me Fajrul. I am from TMTK ICP class. The major is Studies Mathematica, class year 2022. Now, in this meeting, I will present about Umayyah Dynasty in Andalusia, Spanish. Andalusia. Andalusia today is located in Spain and Portugal, or also commonly known as the Iberian Peninsula. The Andalusian Peninsula is separated from Morocco by a strait which since the Islamic conquest come to be known as the Strait of Gibraltar, which is about 12.8 kilometers wide between Sabta or Ceuta and Jabal Tariq or Gibraltar. Presentation agenda. First, history. The history of the entry of Islam in Andalusia until the establishment of the Umayyah dynasty. Second, development. The development of the Umayyah dynasty in Andalusia. Third, progress. The progress of Islamic civilization in Andalusia. And the fourth, contribution. The contribution of Islamic civilization to the advancement of science in Europe. First, history. Andalusia, which was originally called the Vandals in the 2nd until 5th century AD, was a Roman territory but was later conquered by the Vandals in the early 5th century AD. After that, the Gothia come to Andalusia to fight the Vandals and rule over Andalusia. At first the Gothia were very strong, but then there were many divisions and caused the decline of the kingdom. Then after Witiza, the king of Gothia died by Roderick. Roderick's ascension was not like by Witiza's sons. And to seize power, they cooperated with Graf Julian who asked Musa bin Nusayr. Muawiyah governed for Africa for help. Musa then asked permission from the Caliph Walid bin Abdul Malik who was based in Damascus and immediately sent an army of 500 people under the leadership of Tarif bin Malik to invade Spain. After the victory of this army, Musa sent a fast-moving army under the command of Tariq bin Ziyad, which was then known as the Strait of Gibraltar or Jabal Tariq. Hearing Tariq's victory, Musa was finally interested in attacking Spain. If Tariq conquered the western city, then Musa conquered the eastern part such as Seville, Merida, and Toledo. And after the two of them joined, they conquered Aragon, Castilla, Catalonia, Saragossa, and Barcelona all the way to the Pyrenees Mountains, until finally Musa died in prison due to the victim of a letter. Second, the development of the Umayyah dynasty in Andalusia. The development of the Umayyah dynasty in Andalusia. Period first 711 until 755 AD. During this period, Spain was under the role of guardian appointed by the Umayyah caliphs based in Damascus. During this period, Spain's domestic politics became uncontrollable due to security disturbance in several areas. The period of laying the foundation, principles, and invasion of Islam in Spain. This is marked by interference from various parties who are not happy with Islam. The centralization of power was still under the Umayyah sovereigns in Damascus. Period second 755 until 912 AD. At this time, Muslims in Spain began to make progress, but in the fields of politics, civilization, and education. Abdurrahman found Abdurrahman founded the Cordoba Mosque and school in major cities in Spain. Then, his other successor, such as Hisham, was known to be instrumental in enforcing Islamic law, and Hakam was known as a reformer in the military field, while Abdurrahman al-Awsat was known as a ruler who loved knowledge. At the time of Abdurrahman al-Awsat, philosophical thought began to enter. So he invited experts from other Islamic world to come to Spain so that scientific activities in Spain began to run. Period 912 until 1013 AD. This period last This period lasted from the reign of Abdurrahman III, who had the title An-Nasir, until the emergence of Muluk at-Taif group kings. During this period, Spain was ruled by a rule with the title Caliphate. In this period, Muslims in Spain reached the peak of progress and glory to rival the Abbasid sovereigns in Baghdad. Abdurrahman an-Nasir founded the University of Cordoba. The library has a collection of hundreds of a thousand of books. Hakam too was also a book collector and library founder. Period for 1013 until 1086 AD. During this period, Spain was divided into more than 30 small states under the leadership of the kings of the group or al-Muluk at-Taif, centered in a city such as Seville, Toledo, and so on. The largest of these in Abbadia in Seville. Period for 1086 until 1248 AD. In this period, there was a power that was still dominant, namely the power of Murabbitun dynasty. The Murabbitun dynasty was originally a religious movement in North Africa founded by Yusuf ibn Tashfin. In 162 AD, he succeeded in establishing an empire centered in Marrakech. He entered Spain at the invitation of Islamic rule who were defending their power from the attacks of Christian kings. In 1143 43 at AD, the rule of the Murabbitun dynasty ended, both in North Africa and in Spain, and was replaced by the Muwahhidun dynasty. The Muwahhidun dynasty came to Spain under the leadership of Abdul Mun'im around 1114 and 1154 AD. Important Muslim cities in Cordoba, Almeria, and Granada fell under his rule. For several decades, this dynasty experienced a lot of progress. The development of the Umayyad dynasty in Andalusia and the last period 6. 1248 until 105,092 AD. In this period, Islam only ruled in the Granada area under the Bani Ahmad dynasty. Civilization is progressing again like in the time of Abdurrahman an-Nasir, but Politically, this dynasty only ruled in a small area. This period was the end of the extension of the Muslim in Spain. According to Harun Nasution, around 1609 AD, it could be said that there were no more Muslims in this area. Three, progress. The progress of Islamic civilization in Andalusia. The progress of Islamic civilization in Andalusia. First, intellectual progress, like nuclear science, language and literature, science and science, history and geography, and philosophy. Second, the developmental and physical progress. First, during the time of Hisam I, where he restored the old bridge by Al-Khawlani. The second, at the time of Al-Mustansir and Al-Mu'ayyah, which was the most rapid development that occurred at the time where the city center was surrounded by walls with 7 gates. At that time, it was already in the middle because of the development of the surrounding suburbs. Cordova's pride is incomplete without first Al-Qasr Al-Kabir, second Al-Rusafa, third Al-Jami Cordova, must four Cordova Bridge, five Al-Jahra, six Al-Jahira. 4. Contribution of Islamic civilization to the advancement of science in Europe. Contribution of Islamic civilization to the advancement of science in Europe. First, astronomy. Second, the field of philosophy. 3. Literary field. 4. Medical field. 5. The effort of translating Islamic science book. And 6. Math field. Okay, thank you for attention. Uh, if I have mistake, I'm sorry. Uh, if any question, you can write in comment column. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.